Breaking free from debt, financial and emotional wellness made simple. Debt can feel like carrying a heavy backpack, weighing you down with every step. But here's the truth. This doesn't have to be your forever story. Whether you're feeling drained emotionally or stuck financially, hope is the first thing you need to pack on your journey to freedom. Debt doesn't just impact your bank account. It seeps into your mood, your confidence, and even your relationships. If stress has set up camp in your life, it's time to say, enough, let's fix this. Change begins with small, intentional steps, and you've already made the first one just by watching this video. The first step to tackling debt is to see it for what it is, a challenge, not a failure. Write down all your debts, from the smallest to the biggest. This might seem scary, but facing it head-on is empowering. It gives you control, replacing blurry anxiety with actionable clarity. Once you've listed everything, prioritize your debts. Focus on one at a time, starting with either high-interest loans or smaller debts you can pay off quickly. Every small win builds momentum, and before you know it, the mountain starts looking more like a hill. Create a dynamic budget that accounts for your debts without sacrificing important needs. Take advantage of free tools or apps that can track your spending. Allocate a portion of your income to debt repayment, but don't forget to celebrate small victories like clearing one bill as they count. If your income feels stretched too thin, consider creative ways to boost it. Freelancing, selling unused items, or picking up a part-time opportunity. When you see yourself making progress, even small extra amounts can spark massive motivation. Let's be clear, your value as a person isn't measured by numbers on a page. Debt might have slowed your progress, but it hasn't diminished your potential. Be gentle with yourself. Dwelling in shame only delays healing and progress. Focus on the possibilities ahead instead. Remind yourself daily that your challenges are temporary, not permanent. Visualize where you want to be and take time to craft your personal goals. Imagine a life where money works for you, not against you. This positive focus is the first step toward rebuilding confidence. Debt-related stress can take an enormous toll on your mental health. Acknowledge those feelings. They're valid, but don't let them consume you. Practice grounding techniques like deep breathing or meditation when anxiety kicks in. Manage stress one day at a time. It's okay to rest and recharge. Speak openly with trusted friends or family members about your situation. It can feel freeing to share your burdens instead of bearing them alone. If needed, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance, whether it's financial advice or mental health support. Self-care is not optional on this journey. Climbing out of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step forward matters, whether it's saving an extra $20, making consistent payments, or resisting an unnecessary expense. By celebrating even the smallest wins, you train your mind to see progress instead of problems. Take a moment to reflect on your journey so far. How have you grown? What lessons have you learned? This mindset of gratitude and self-awareness will keep you energized as you move closer to financial and emotional balance. Your financial struggles don't define you, but your resilience does. Today is your chance to start writing a new chapter, one of hope, joy, and freedom. Begin by committing to one small action, like creating a simple budget, making your first extra payment, or talking to someone who can help. Remember, every step matters, and as you move forward, remind yourself that financial freedom isn't about perfection. It's about progress. You've got this, and you're never alone. Share this video with someone who might need it, and together, let's build a brighter, debt-free future. Keep moving forward.